Imagine the tantalizing aroma of succulent chicken, perfectly seasoned with a blend of aromatic spices and grilled to perfection. Picture biting into a tender, juicy Chicken Seekh Kabab as it unravels an explosion of flavors, transporting you to the vibrant streets of India. This is the experience we are going to create today. First, start by gathering the ingredients. You'll need around half a kilogram of minced chicken, 2 finely chopped green chilies, half a cup of chopped onions, and a handful of fresh coriander. For the spices, prepare a teaspoon each of garam masala, red chili powder, and turmeric. You'll also need salt to taste, a spoonful of ginger garlic paste, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Once you have everything ready, take a large bowl and mix all the ingredients together. Use your hands to blend them well, ensuring that the spices evenly coat the chicken. This mixture is the heart of your kebabs. Next comes the fun part, shaping the kebabs. Dampen your hands with a bit of water and take a portion of the chicken mixture. Mold it onto a skewer in the shape of a sausage. Ensure it's packed tight so it doesn't fall apart during the grilling process. Follow this step until all the mixture is used up. Now it's time to grill these beauties. Preheat your grill on medium heat. Place the skewers on the grill and cook them for around 15 minutes. Make sure to rotate them occasionally for an even cook. You'll know they're ready when they turn a beautiful golden brown. And there you have it, your Chicken Seekh Kababs are ready. These kebabs are not just a dish, they're a journey. Each bite takes you through the rich, aromatic flavors of India, making it a culinary adventure like no other. In summary, these Chicken Seekh Kababs are an easy and delicious way to bring a taste of India into your kitchen. All it takes is a few simple ingredients, some time on the grill, and a love for good food. So, why wait? Embark on this flavorful journey and experience the magic of Indian cuisine today. Remember, cooking is an art, and with every dish, you paint a portrait of taste. So go ahead, create your masterpiece. And as always, enjoy the process, savor the journey, and relish the destination. Happy cooking!